Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
Hi Gemini, how have you been? On Monday, you're the first person chosen for the team. All day long, it seems that you're somehow on the right side of the line that separates insiders from outsiders. Don't be afraid to ask for something that you didn't think was possible yesterday. It's still possible to get in on the ground floor of a new venture if you know how to work for it. Later in the day, someone could share a recent experience with those who can benefit from the tale. Do whatever it takes to keep yourself sane. Meditation, yoga, long walks. Stress may be starting to take its toll, but you can pull yourself out from under it with a concerted effort. On Tuesday, you need to step up a bit and show that particular person what you're made of. It's not that hard. Get them to listen, then lay down the law. Things can change pretty quickly, but only if you say so. Don't think about business partners today. Focus on personal relationships instead. They are where the big payoff is today, and on a much deeper level than anything financial. You don't need to go for it alone. Take the advice of the people you trust. If your best friend thinks they've got a great match for you, trust their instincts. If your parents don't like your latest crush, find out why. On Wednesday, your relationship perks you up like a fresh cup of coffee. A new sense of connection reignites your romance, and this forward motion gathers momentum that can't be halted. Your future looks quite bright. Don't waste time chatting when there's work to be done. Save the gossip and jokes for evenings and weekends and get down to business. Someone is using their creativity to take advantage of you. A colleague is telling you a sob story, but help them out even if you pick up on the false notes. It really has more to do with you than them anyway. On Thursday, your extraordinary skills, passion for perfection, and an overpowering personality will inspire and motivate those around you. Many will, in fact, emulate your actions, so much so that you could most likely have a fan following. But while the inspired lot may achieve success and move on to target higher goals, you are likely to miss out on the best of opportunities to make money. On Friday, Mercury enters your sign, which eases the chaos around communication and brings fewer delays around making deals and setting up new contracts with clients. We will experience more clarity, heightened intuition, and sharper perceptions as the days march forth. But we can still expect complications with ego. Just make sure you don't get up on your soapbox. The moon in your sign will have you paying more attention to relationships and your connections with others, which unexpectedly brings with it more focus than you've had in a while. Jupiter in your sign will only amplify any desires you've been harboring for your crush or significant other. Use the current energy to work up the courage to ask for what you want, no matter how intensely you feel about it. On Saturday, you ignite a new fiery passion for fitness when Mercury enters your sign. You might even become a fitness influencer because of your love of working out. Just keep moving. You need a good workout after an intense day of work. Holiday stress could leave you off balance, so take a few minutes to meditate and recenter. Confusion reigns today. Try to make sensible plans, but be ready for all manner of switch-ups. Changes and the unusual are in the stars at the end of the week, perfect for exploring and growing from your travels. You could have a revealing new point of view now. Beware of a communication glitch this weekend. Double check flight times and meeting points and have a plan B ready to go. On Sunday, you are interested in altering your routine in some way today. Needing a little spontaneity to break you out of your current mindset, it feels like the world around you has a different agenda than what you are trying to achieve. Allow yourself to feel inspired rather than overwhelmed by the things that are happening around you. Get clear on your perspectives and beliefs as well. You might be asked to speak on a topic, and knowing where you stand will let your confidence shine through. As your mind flits between feelings of liberation and feelings of restraint, you'll need to find some middle ground in order for things to flow smoothly. Allow yourself some extra time and space today to make any needed adjustments. Interactions with others will be exciting and provide variety to keep things from growing stale. Engage with purpose today by sharing your opinions. Tiny details will also hold more importance to you. Pay closer attention to each of the building blocks that combine to form complete concepts.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.